If you have a budget for 1 meter of fun MP, just go to 300,000 yuan. Then I'll give you a knife of 200,000 yuan, and this car is still 200,000 yuan. So you can take a look at this Dongfeng Deep Sea V9. There are only 2 points. One is for business reception, and the other is for family travel. These 2 points actually have a common feature, that is, the space inside the car is large and the ride is relatively comfortable. The length of this car is 5.23 meters long, and the space inside the car is 554 square meters, so the car seats are all 30mm. It's actually quite cool to talk about the group sponge. After getting on, I intuitively felt that the seat was said to rebound at 3 centimeters, but in fact, when I went down, I felt that the rebound was really a feeling of more than 3 centimeters. Then this 2-row seat is standard with 8-way electric adjustment, including 2-way manual adjustment of heating and ventilation. You can choose a comfortable position to lie down, and then include if you feel like 2 people are sitting together. It's farther away. There is also a handle in the back area, which allows the 2 seats to be closer together. It can be adjusted horizontally from left to right. What if you feel that sitting in the second row is not comfortable enough to lie down? We saw that the seats at the back can actually be completely flat, allowing the back row to create a large flat space. You can put a small bed appliance on the ground. After you are tired of playing, you can just lie down and sleep in the back row, so the whole family always has to go out to play, right? In this way, the car still has an external discharge of 6 o'clock at 6,000 yards. It's incredibly simple to set up an induction cooker outdoors for cooking, or even install a projector to enjoy watching and recording moments with your entire family amidst the open air. Then after I get on the bus, what if I speak as a passenger? The support of this seat, including its relatively elastic feeling, is still okay to sit on. Of course, it is the good part. If it is the bad part, I think for a new MPV, I think the seat is a bit short at this length. I even think that a push and drag can be added in the front to increase passenger comfort, and then there is another. I think what can be strengthened is the seat. We all know that this seat can move left and right. Since we have built an MPV, it must be comfortable. I think it's a bit expensive to say that you can pull the seat with your hands to move it left and right. I think some electronic control elements can be added. It's quite comfortable to drive this pure electric vehicle. You asked about my experience. Let me emphasize, this EV has a range of 200 kilometers. With its impressive range, I, as an ordinary user, find that I don't even need to recharge daily, even on field trips. Its comprehensive navigation can reach 1,300 kilometers, which is absolute. No matter where you go, it is enough. I am in Beijing now, so I drove directly to Shanghai after traveling, which is actually enough. His stipulated number is 5.27 liters per 100 kilometers, including. In terms of battery capacity, the battery has been upgraded from EC to 2.2C. The time it takes to charge from 30% to 80% is shorter than the previous generation, from an hour to 18 minutes, including its slow charge. There has been an upgrade. It was originally 3.3 thousand wows, but now it has been upgraded to 6.6 million. If you add slow charging, the time was originally 11 hours, but now it only takes 6 hours, which is almost half of the time. Then the car is like this. What about the feeling of driving? I am currently doing it. When driving on this kind of road, I feel that there will be no obvious shaking. His body feels relatively stable. But as for MPVs, we have to mention one more point, which is its riding experience. From the driver's position, the feeling I sit up is that it feels that the 3 centimeters filler is very elastic and soft, and it is relatively comfortable to make. But one of the nearly worst things is the whole seat. The support is for my body. I feel that it may not feel so good for the body of a thin person like me. Moreover, when it shook my head, I think it can be made an electric one. Because he has waist pressure, but sometimes when you sit on it, if you don't get used to it, you will feel that he is dragging uncomfortably and want him to retract a little bit. But we found that this car does not have this function. 200,000 luxury MPV, long battery life, large space and comfortable. I think people who will buy this car are basically the kind of good family man who is mature and saves money.